What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, we have a bit of yin and yang. We went creek fishing and it was filled with the good, the bad, and the ugly. Make sure you guys leave a like and thank you for watching.
God, you've got to be kidding me.
Gotta get down there now. Yup. I knew this was gonna be eventful.
A hole in my pants too, that my ass is out. My whole ass is out. Oh, I cut myself, I'm bleeding somewhere.
No.
No way, bro, I just can't catch a break today, dog. Because my bag strap just broke. Like, it's probably every bit of 6 fucking feet right here.
I thought we're just standing here.
As the water got deeper, our patience got thinner, and the fish got less hungry. So without a bite, we decided to head up to a separate part of the creek where we knew it was shallower. As you can see here, we're using some pretty hard baits, and throwing them pretty hard. This is all gonna culminate into something not so beautiful. Stay tuned.
Got one bait, one rod. Gotta commit to it. Oh my gosh, I am so terribly sorry. Wow.
Oh, is it in me, bro?
Yeah, it's in you.
Oh, Garrett,
Oh my
dude,
gosh.
no.
Yep, that's on me.
Garrett.
Yep, that's on me.
Garrett.
Yep, that's on me.
Oh,
Yep, that's on me.
how bad is it?
It's in there good. It's in there good. Okay, it's just one though.
Just
Yep,
one?
it's just one.
Fuck.
Yep.
This was our cue to call it a wrap. With the hook not being in there as deep as we thought it'd be, we successfully got it out and started our luck again the next day.
All right, boys. Back in action here. Fishing different creek, different area. Throwing a little 3-inch Rage Swimmer. Ain't a bad little setup for the creek. We need to make a bet on who catches the biggest smallie today. You're gonna catch the most, you think? Bigger bait, you know, it's all about the motion in the ocean, Grant. Oh, shit. No, shit. Whew. All right, that was close. Now I'm hung up. Great. Woohoo! I'm getting out of the mud. I don't got the 4-wheel drive for this. Oh my gosh! What the heck? Grant's got one. I gotta go.
Smash this one.
Smash it. I think that's a rock bass, Grant. The fish you couldn't identify last time. The mystery fish. I can't get too close or else I'll fall in, yeah. Little baby rock bass. Not a bad one.
I knew something was biting, I just wasn't giving it a chance to actually hook on.
Hey, nice fish. That's a good one. Yeah, he's eating good. Sorry. I got one, boys. No. There we go. Maybe they're starting to turn on. The light's getting behind the trees. I think you hold it out because if you get one, you're going to get a big one. This is a nice, beautiful fish right here. Look at that one, boys and girls. I got another one, boys. No, it's not. He's fat. No, that's probably the nicest one of today. He's fat. Chunky one, ain't that? Woo!
How you gonna
Woo!
do this? You
You
just stab it?
You have to with that one, yeah. Little release action. Pop a little bit, reel and pop. And then you can let it sit for a second. Yep. Let it sit for a second, reel and pop. Oh, you get him? I told you it'd pay off. Yes! Oh, get this, Grant. It's a go.
I'm running.
Hold on, Keegan. We want to. Yes! Some dude. Let's eat him.
I'll tell you what.
He's got
How
the.
you gonna get the hook off?
You got him right behind the head.
Right.
Don't put his head towards me.
I'm not. Pinch his leg.
Oh shit.
Shit. Fuck that.
Right.
Hold this.
Pull his rod.
Okay, now it's off to me, huh? Hey, that's the best one of the today. Oh boy. New fish species acquired.
Thank you all so much for watching. We had a few more good catches, but sadly they weren't caught on tape. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.